ये क्या लिखा है मेरे बारे में, and you know why they're writing this, who's this person, cancel, never give an interview to this person and all. Now it's just like हाँ ठीक है लिख दिया, क्या हो गया आज का न्यूज़पेपर कल समोसे बिकेंगे उसमें. Keep it real, keep it असली, you know, and that's why I'm असली सोना. कौन अभी ना 15 साल हो गए मुझे, मैं कहाँ से कहाँ वो दिन वो कब बोला था, क्या किया था. If I try to keep it up, I'll go mad. I don't know. I feel I've become nicer to them because of Zahi. Now instead of sadoing, you just click a picture and let's go, na. You just can't be offended for the sake of being offended. You know, कि ना मुझे नहीं लिया सीखो में. No, it doesn't work like that.
There's been a love story that has been going on for 15 years now between me, there's an actress, and there are a million other people. I think this is the first time I'm sitting next to her one-on-one itself. So very happy and excited as I'm joined by Sonakshi Sinha.
Thank you so much. I had no idea about this एक तरफा प्यार that is going on.
See, अब इतने आशिक हैं आप कि आपको नहीं पता चलता मैं कि
ये मुझे तो नहीं बोला तुमने, वो कैमरा के सामने बोल रहे हो.
वही, I have declared my love in front of the world.
Just because my husband is not here.
I have declared it in front of him as well. Actually, not in front
Then
of
it's
you.
fine.
In front of him.
In front of him.
Yeah. But I'll start with this whole content creation thing that you have embarked upon. What was the trigger for it, or what is it that kind of pushed you that okay, maybe I want to try this different field?
Gosh, it sounds like such a big thing that I'm doing when you say it like that. But honestly, it was literally an experiment for me, you know, and you know, we've grown up in the age of social media, and like I've been an actor in the age of social media where there was Instagram, Twitter, all of that. So you've tried and tested a lot of platforms that some kind of work for you, some kind of don't, some you stay on, some you leave, which like I've done in the past. So this is something that somebody had told me a couple of years back to try it out because it's the next big thing. And I did it, and there was somebody else doing it for me. They said, you know, आप अपना content भेज दो, हम videos create करके डालते जाएंगे. So I was not enjoying that process unless I'm not completely involved in it. It doesn't make sense to me because I know that will not be authentic. That is not something that will also connect with the people that are watching. जब तक वो आपको की authenticity ना देखे, they don't buy it.
True.
So recently, like last year in November, I kind of went on to YouTube. I kind of saw the interface, I saw the features, कैसे काम करता है, and until I don't understand something completely ना, I don't like getting into it. So मैंने पूरा समझा पहले. Then I was like, okay, long format content which is new to me because it's easier to kind of put छोटू snippets of your life. फिर आप उतना ही डाल रहे हो जितना आप दिखाना चाहते हो, and it's easier to do. This was not, but then I feel when you find something and kind of stick to it, and then it just doesn't feel like work or that much of a pressure, then it becomes fun. तो मुझे मिल गया मेरा मेकअप. I mean, रोज तो तैयार होना होता है, and I enjoy doing my makeup. Even though I am an actor, I do have professionals doing it for me, but I enjoy doing it myself, and that is what I showed to my audience, you know. And so it just became something that I started enjoying to do, and that's how it happened.
Yeah. Somehow I also feel that on other platforms you still get caught up in those algorithms.
Correct.
And like those SEO words, hashtags, this and that. Somewhere long format allows you to give you more time also to kind of put what you want, as you said.
Yeah.
That in short format you are still like adhering to it कि उतना ही भेजना है, उतना ही रखना है. I think that is also an appeal of it. But putting your life out there, because somewhere it is your personal experience. It's no one like it's not a set.
Yeah.
It's your surroundings. The naturally it's happening. Somewhere the vulnerability also comes in because you're somewhere putting yourself out there, and it's the real you.
Yeah.
And it's not a facade. It's a real
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
So does it come with that vulnerability as well?
You know, honestly, that's what attracted me more to it. As actors, a lot of people are misguided into believing you are something that you're not. और अगर मैं अपने आप को authentically लोगों के सामने दिखा सकती हूँ, then why not? I want them to connect with that person. So basically, this would be like my new PR. I'm actually projecting myself the way I want to be projected, and not how people want to see me or how somebody wants to show me. This is me, you know, and I love that. That's why I think I've always maintained that keep it real, keep it asli, you know, and that's why I'm Asli Sona. So it's a thing. People just think it's a random name I chose, but no, it's actually about being real, being true to yourself. And because you know, if you put up a facade, उसको keep up करने में ही आपकी पूरी energy चली जाती है. And मैं खर्च नहीं होना चाहती हूँ उस तरीके में. You know, so I feel like it's a nice way to put yourself out there and connect with an audience that is actually watching you for who you are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People do technology. It takes a lot to put up a facade because you have to follow it
It
up.
does, yeah.
It takes so much
और
tone.
कौन अभी ना 15 साल हो गए मुझ में कहाँ से कहाँ वो दिन वो कब बोला था क्या किया था if I try to keep it up I'll go mad.
Yeah, but somewhere does it help that you have a partner who is also that kind of has an attitude towards things, that he's also open to being authentically himself in front of people and kind of share his life as well.
But that's why he's my partner. And on you said something that you know you're putting your whole life out there and all. I'm actually not. I'm putting out only how much I want to put out there. अगर मैं एक ट्रैवल व्लॉग कर रही हूँ, मैं जा रही हूँ 15-17 दिन के छुट्टी के लिए और मैं 13-15 मिनट का व्लॉग डाल रही हूँ, that's nothing. And it's also something that I'm enjoying क्योंकि you're recording what you want to record, you're showing what you want to show. Edit का भी अपना अलग वो होता है कि you know you can do so many things on the edit, which is also a fun thing to be learning. So it's a small part of me. It's not all my life, and I don't want to do that also because that is again me. You know, and these are certain parts that I cannot avoid. Like if we're traveling, we're staying together, Zahir will pop in at some point to use the washroom because I'm doing my makeup in there. You know, so it's again a very natural thing that happens, and that's exactly how we're doing. We're not strategizing or planning this stuff. It's genuinely what happens naturally and organically, and that's what people are loving about it. So good only, na.
And it's one thing because he also enjoys it.
Yeah.
It's not that he is like okay, ho gaya. He enjoys it,
Yeah.
and I think that is why you and him have become like the Pab's favorite couple.
Oh, sweet.
Like the kind of interactions you have with them. How did this kind of friendship between you and the Pabs kind of flourish so much?
I don't know. I feel I've become nicer to them because of Zahir. Otherwise, when I go out, when if I'm going to the airport, or I'm going to a salon, or if I'm going for dinner and all, I don't want to get clicked. I want to go, that's my time. They see your car, they follow you, they land up there, then they call 10 other people, and then it's suddenly a thing. So I was very averse to that. मैं अपना गली कुचे से जाके निकल जाती थी या बैकडोर लेके निकल जाती थी. Now with Zahir, I just feel like I've become a more welcoming and open person. So now his attitude is like that. He's like, अभी है तो है. Now instead of sadoing, you just click a picture and let's go, na. Let's leave. Smiling, happy. So I think my attitude towards them has changed a bit because of Zahir.
I love Zahir for that. He has I feel like he has opened you.
He's very,
in a lot of
and
ways.
he's genuinely a very positive and open person. So I feel a little bit of that has come into me.
Yeah, and I started by saying 15 years of love story because next month is gonna be 15 years to your debut.
Oh my God, yeah, September 10.
10 September.
Yeah.
So firstly, 15 years, how does the jitters still come to you when a film is releasing, when things are coming, like how Sona used to be back then and now?
No, a little bit less jitters than before, of course, but I treat every film like it's my first film. And I think that's what's kept me around also for 15 years. I think when you have the same sort of approach towards how you did when you were doing your first film, I think that always helps. And until someone reminds me, I completely forget that it's been 15 years. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है. Like it feels like just yesterday.
कल तो मिले.
अभी तो मेरा debut हुआ था.
Well, like in this time, like what has been for you the biggest achievement for you, and like what has been the biggest highlight for you?
I think the biggest both these things I feel are yet to come. Yeah.
Still
I
exploring.
don't want to say that anything has been like the highest point of my career and all because I want to strive to achieve that still. So it's been a good journey. It's been a very balanced and a very wholesome journey. I've seen the ups, I've seen the downs, I've seen everything. So I feel it's been a very, very wholesome and it's been a learning experience for me and still is till today. And that is what I appreciate about myself when it comes to my approach towards work. I'm still learning. I never want to stop learning. Yeah.
And I think professionally or personally, the one thing that I think connects with anyone who's seeing you, and it's irrespective of work, is that you always had this sense of individuality which never got lost in the way. And there were moments where we have seen people trying to kind of sway you other ways, kind of tell you what to do, what not to do. You're still always kind of maintained that and being respectful towards them.
Yeah.
And it wasn't like tum bolte raho, no, it was always
Yeah.
respectful. How have you maintained that composure? And how have you kind of been able to always follow your gut?
अब इसका कोई फॉर्मूला तो नहीं है
But where does the courage comes from?
It comes from within. It comes from having the right set of people around you. You know, your friends and family. They keep you grounded. They encourage you. It's very important to have that sort of support system as well. सबकी सुनो, अपनी करो.
I think that is the life
Yeah.
philosophy.
So, I mean, and obviously in the profession you're in, there's a lot of chatter. Everybody has an opinion. But it's very important to listen to your own heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And speaking of your 15 year, like Dabang, I think one of the first things that it did was it was one of the first franchise that I remember that followed the same female lead as well. Today we don't see that. I know, especially Salman sir kind of does that. Even with Tiger he has done that. With Dabang he has done that. Do you take a little sense of pride in the fact that you have been among the first ones who kind of started this trend that okay, not just the male lead but female lead can also be the same?
I never thought of it that way, but honestly, because it's the same characters that you're following throughout the
Yeah.
series, right? So you can't change it. It will make no sense if you change the person altogether, if the character is the same. Now I understand if Chulbul Pandey went to America and did something over there, you can't probably have the same. No, but you will. जो got married to him in the first part only, वो साथ में लेके जाएगा ना? क्यों छोड़ के जाएगा? Unless you change the entire story, unless you change the entire story, then it makes no sense. But if the story is completely different, then it's okay. Yeah? I mean,
Yeah.
every film has its own journey.
But
yeah.
it does not stop makers to kind of change, even if the actor has married someone in the film. Wives
But
change.
that's what I'm saying. Has it made sense? No, it doesn't.
I
make
can give you
sense.
examples that have worked also commercially, but
Okay.
obviously it
होते
doesn't.
होंगे, yeah, but maybe that film turned out to be then really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, like I said, every film has its own journey. So,
True.
it's not something that.
But when are we seeing you revive Rajjo again? Because Dabang 4 has been in the talks for such a long time, and people have been waiting for it.
All good things take time. But this is a question for, I think, Arbaz and Salman only. I think
Yeah.
I can't answer that.
Yeah. But you have seen, I think, when it comes to sequels, you have been in all kind of situations. You have been a part of films where you were not a part of the first one. You have been a part of the
Yeah.
sequels.
Yeah.
You have been a part of films where you have been part of the first one. You were not in the sequel. Like Sanam Sadar 2
Yeah,
released
yeah,
today.
yeah.
You have went through it all. What is your kind of take on how the perception of the industry is towards female leads when it comes to the franchise films?
Again, like I said, it's very subjective. Probably from what I can see in Son of Sadar, they've gone abroad somewhere. So the same character might not be there. So it makes sense in that way. For Force 2, I think Janelia's character died in the first half. So that's why she wasn't in the second half, and that's where I came in as not even a love interest. I was John's superior in the film, you know, from Raw. So there are things that just you just can't be offended for the sake of being offended. You know, कि ना मुझे नहीं लिया sequel में. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to be very practical. You have to approach each film as a different film, and that's what it is. So yeah.
But like amongst your filmography, what do you think is that underrated gem that you think did not get that much love at the first time, but you think it will grow on people eventually? I have one in mind, that's why I asked.
Lutera, to I know that's what you had the question in mind with.
No, I had another one.
Then there are quite a few. I feel Noor is also another film like that. Akira. But Akira, you know, a lot of people still tell me about it, so I'm not. But yeah, Noor is a film that I feel like would like really grow on people because it's such a relatable character.
Yeah.
You know.
In my mind, it was Ittifaq.
Ittifaq. No, it's a great film, yeah.
It's a great
lovely film, yeah.
Yeah, that's a because I know you have had so many
Yeah.
that maybe didn't get as much love at the
Yeah,
first time, but they
yeah.
have grown on people.
Yeah, absolutely.
And they will keep
Yeah.
growing on people.
See,
but-
good content, good films will always find their place, you know, and
Yeah.
always find their audience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But when last year you kind of entered into this OTT web series, the love that you got, Dahad se yahan tha agar, Hira Mandi took it to another level.
yeah.
Somewhere, do you feel that acceptance come in much larger quantity than maybe films? Because somewhere it gave you also more time to explore your characters and everything because
Yeah.
of the length of it. But somewhere acceptance also was much more.
Uh, good content will always be accepted, no, I feel, and
Yeah.
especially when it's on a platform like this, which is more accessible to people. Both of them were very, very good and challenging characters for me, which is why I enjoyed doing it. Now, whether it was going to be accepted, not accepted, that is never the thing in my head, even when I'm doing a film. मुझे अच्छा काम करना है, अच्छी एक्सपीरियंस होनी चाहिए सेट पर, अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करना है, कुछ सीखना है और वहाँ से दफा होना है. That is my attitude. And the result of what happens is completely a byproduct. कभी अच्छा होता है, कभी बुरा होता है, कभी कुछ नहीं होता, कभी it blows up to like insane proportions. So it's never in your hands. So that is not something I worry about. For me, Dahad and Hira Mandi were great characters, and I enjoyed being a part of it.
I still remember Tilasmi Bahe.
Yeah.
That one take wonder that you have done.
Oh God, don't ask. What an experience it was.
It
What an
was
experience.
phenomenal.
Yeah.
But recently Nikita Roy came and it was the first time you got to work with your brother.
Yeah.
And how different it is to kind of initially did it take time to see him and kind of see him as a director first and a brother second on set?
No, you know, on set, like it's very professional actually. Like you go on set as an actor, and there is a person to direct you, and that could be anyone. Now he just happens to be your brother, and I've worked with a lot of first-time directors in the past as well. So I looked at it in that way only. Like he's a director, he's my director, and I'm the actor. Yeah.
Yeah, but like somewhere did it kind of strengthens your relationship as well, because somewhere you are kind of exploring each other in the professional capacity as well. Varna ghar pe aap personally obviously you bond, but somewhere professionally you see what the other person is going through, how they are tackling things, how they're dealing with issues professionally. Does it kind of strengthen that bond?
No, but I don't really get into that just because he's my brother, right? Like I said, on set it's very, very professional. So what a director's journey is, what his journey is very different from what my journey is on that particular film. They stay with the film much longer. They stay on set for more hours than an actor does. They are involved in a lot of nitty-gritties that don't even reach an actor. That is a director's job. So he has to do it, he has to go through the drill, he has to learn from that as well. Any first-time director has to go through that. And as an actor, you're pretty much doing what you're meant to do over there. Read your lines, be on set, be in front of the camera, and do your job. So it's very easy to kind of compartmentalize and just do your job, what you're there for.
Yeah. Also, one thing I have noticed is in recent times you have become very witty and quippy on your social media, like your stories and replies and everything. Has it is the sense of humor of Zahi rubbed off on you, or is it yours that has rubbed off on you?
Sub credit you want to give him only.
मैंने
Na?
पूछा
I've
इसलिए।
always been witty and very
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ। Because
this
both
thing
of
on
you-
social
both of
media.
you now
So
do it.
No need to give full credit to him, okay?
Whereas like either
Where it
or
was
रखा।
due, I gave it.
Where either or रखा है।
Yeah.
Is it you who have rubbed
No,
off on
I'm a
it in
very
this
smart
sense?
and witty person.
Yeah, but love the way you kind of handle. Do you feel you have grown into, because as an audience I would say you have grown very beautifully into how you handle media interactions and you handle all the queries and everything that coming your way. Do you also see and feel that growth in you?
Absolutely, definitely do. I think it all happens with a change of attitude. I used to get very hot and bothered by it initially. कि ये क्या लिखा है मेरे बारे में, and you know why they're writing this, who's this person, cancel, never give an interview to this person and all. Now it's just like हाँ ठीक है लिख दिया क्या हो गया आज का newspaper कल समोसे बिकेंगे उसमें you know, so you change your attitude to it, like and your whole world changes, you know.
Yeah.
So it does take time. It's not overnight. It happens gradually. Like you said, I've been around for 15 years. I've learned over the years, and now I'm in a good space. Yeah.
But Sonakshi, it has always been such a pleasure seeing you on the screen, and this is the first time I got to talk to you one-on-one in person. I hope this is first of many, and we get a lot of opportunities, and we get to see you more on screen.
Yes.
Because you are taking a longer time to come, and
I'm
we
not
are
taking
we are-
the industry's halat is taking time to release films, but you will be seeing much more of me. I have a few releases lined up as well.
Is there any you can talk about?
There's a Telugu film which I'm doing, which is Jatadhara, and after that there are 2 more releases which I cannot tell you about right now.
Okay.
But there are.
There's also Hira Mandi.
And there's Dahar season 2, which is going to be
Dahar
coming
2.
out. They're still writing it. Hira Mandi 2 has been announced. So
Yeah. Oh,
Sorted.
Before I wrap up, I have to ask your entry into the South industry.
Yes.
How has it been kind of, because we are living in a world of amalgamation. It's a crossover world today. The people from Hindi, South, interchanging. How is it being a part of that change? And how is it kind of seeing that love and exploration that you are getting to do in the South?
I want to say, like, I don't want to generalize the South. I've done a Tamil film before with Rajni sir. This is my first Telugu film. So in terms of a language, yes, it's a new language that I'm exploring. And right now, lines are too blurred. I mean, we are watching content from Korea, we are watching Spanish content and loving it. ये तो अपने देश का content है, and you know, more in tune with what the Indian audiences are actually watching and loving. So I feel it's a great step. I really enjoyed the experience. It was really nice, and looking forward to doing a lot more work like that.
And it's been 15 years. I am sure it's gonna be 115 more
Wow.
to love you.
Thanks.
For others, I'm saying, because I will not live that long. I know. मेरा तो जब तक है तब तक चल रहा है.
Thank
But
you.
thank you so much, Sonakshi. It's always a pleasure.
Thank you
seeing
so
you and talking to you. And can't wait to see more and more of you on
Thank
screen,
you.
off screen, everywhere.
Thank
Because you
you.
deserve to be there. And I hope we get to see more of your work.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.